Hello, it's Pencil Dog. Welcome to today's doodle. Today we're going to be drawing an elephant, and we're going to be using the letter J and the letter U. Get that U in there. And on a smaller scale, we're going to be using the letter O. That'll be the elephant's eye. Now I'm going to outline the J to make a trunk, and then I'm going to go down the paper to start on his feet. So we're going to make some straight lines, a sideways line, a vertical line, another sideways line, another vertical down line, another sideways line. And now we have his feet, or the start of his feet. I'm going to do a big curve here, as you can see I'm showing you. I'm going to take that curve, it's almost like a J shape, and that's going to create the back of the elephant down to his leg. Got to add a little tail in there, keep it cute. And then we're going to add the letter M, or a sideways 3 for his toenails. And then we're going to go in and add letter L for his back leg, and then a backwards L for his other leg. I'm going to add in a pupil for the eye to give him a little character. And we're going to add a mouth. So we're going to make him a smiling, happy elephant. He's got a little line there. And out of his trunk, for a little humor, we'll add a heart. He's a very loving elephant. And there you have it, the elephant. Like and subscribe. Thanks.